Hi everyone, I'm Shweta. This is about the Clinical Research Analyst curriculum. Today we are going to talk about the basics of clinical research and its role in the pharmaceutical industry. Well, what is clinical research? Clinical research is a branch of medical science that determines the safety and the effectiveness of the medications, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimes that is intended for human use only. Clinical research is often conducted at academic medical centers, at research study sites. Once the promising molecule is identified, it is subjected to the preclinical studies or animal studies, where the different aspects of the molecule are studied to assess the human pharmacology, to explore the therapeutic value, to confirm the therapeutic value. Well, what is clinical trial then? Clinical trial are the sets of tests in the medical research and the drug development that generate safety and efficacy data and information about the adverse event reactions or adverse drug reactions. Well, if you look at into the nutshell, you'll come to know the complete process of the clinical trial. And here it goes: the approval protocol and investigatory selection, then comes the approval process, then the patient recruitment and participation, then the data are recorded and reviewed, then it is passed on to the statistical analysis. When the data are analyzed, it is presented to the regulatory authorities and then Then comes the curriculum. Here we comes to the curriculum. The module 1, we are going to deal with the different career options in the healthcare services, life science management, pharmacy, clinical research industry, overview of the pharmaceutical industry, and the drug discoveries and the preclinical research part. Well, in the module 2, we are going to deal with the different phases of the clinical trial, what are the methods and the procedures involved in the clinical research, and the clinical trial protocol, investigational product, and the clinical trial that is investigative brochures, clinical trial agreement. In the module 3, which is the most important component of the clinical trial, that is the guidelines and the importance of the informed process, technical documents, essential documents, source documents, significance of the CROs, that is contract research organization. Well, in the module 4, we are going to discuss about the different regulatory bodies, its histories, guidelines, regulations, GCP, ICH, that is the good clinical practice, ICH is the International Conference on Harmonization. Well, in module 5, we are going to deal with the study designs. What are the different study designs? I mean, the structure of the studies. What are the studies, different types of studies which are conducted in the clinic during the clinical trial, and what are the statistical principles for the clinical trials and the budgets. Well, in the module 6, we are going to deal with the investigational new drug application. That is the totally new molecule which is not available in the market, which need clinical trial, and its new drug application, drug advisement and advertisement, and the recruitment, retention and all. Well, in the module 7, you're going to learn about the audit, inspection, different aspects of the financial disclosure, privacy and confidentiality with the clinical trial, and adverse event, the most important thing. Well, adverse event is nothing but the untoward medical occurrence during the clinical trial. It might be or may not be related to the study drug. But here we are going to deal with the nature, severity and frequency, and also reporting, adverse event reporting. Well, thus the reporting the adverse event is the most important thing in the clinical study, in the clinical research. And I hope this course is crafted according to the current industry standards and designed to save the value time. I hope the program enables the candidates for the career growth in the pharmac industry. Thank you.